Hi everyone, welcome back to this Java for Beginners series. So up until now, we have covered the basic syntax of Java programming. So in this video, I want to show you how to install IntelliJ IDE, which we'll use in future videos to write longer and larger programs. And I also show you how to create a new project using IntelliJ and get it running. So open up your browser and search for IntelliJ. And for the first result, click on download. So IntelliJ has two versions, and for our tutorial series we're gonna use the community edition, which is free of charge. So choose your operating system and click download. So when the download is finished, let's minimize our browser and find the downloaded file and double click it to install. So next, just follow the instruction. I'll put in my D drive, and next. And we want a desktop shortcut. I want the 64-bit launcher, and I check this one, and click on next. Install. So now the installation is finished, and we can close this window. And we should see a IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition icon on our desktop. So let's double click it to run. It's asking me to import my settings, and I don't want to import any settings. Let's click on OK. Ask us for the theme. I'll go the light theme. And next. We don't need any of this stuff right now, so click on next. Start using IntelliJ. So I have to pause the recording for a bit because I want to increase the font a little bit so that you guys can see clearly. So now we can finally create our first Java project in IntelliJ. So click on Create New Project. And make sure on the left side, Java is selected. And then on the right side, choose JDK, which is 11. That's what we want to use. And then we don't need Groovy or Kotlin, so next. And we want to create project from template, and we want the Java Hello World template. So this will give us a template that output Hello World to the console. Let's click on next and give it a name. Say hello. World, and then finish. So there we go. That's our first Java program. So this will be the main window of IntelliJ IDE. And on the left side, it's the file structure, and all the files inside of our project will be listed here. And on the right side is the current active file that is selected. So right now we only have one, which is main.java, and it is generated by IntelliJ when we choose the Hello World template. So on the right, we can see main.java is inside of Hello World, and then source, and then main. So now what I want to do is to show you guys how to run this program. So if you look at the top right corner of the screen, there is a green triangle button. This is our run button. So click on it, and there we go. Our program runs successfully, and it says Hello World on the console.